Hello guys. So we are here at Love's and this is my first time that I'm going to shower here because we live in the van and I want to try to shower at Love's. As you can see, the Love's is there. So we'll see how this gonna work. A lot of people stay here overnight, especially the truckers. This is the place where they stay overnight. And this is our first time as well to stay here tonight. I have my things here with me. I brought my own towel, but they said they're gonna give you a free towel, soap, and shampoo, everything. But I brought my own because I don't want to use theirs. And I have my slipper, and they said the fee that you're gonna pay is $18. I watch this in videos on YouTube. The other Filipinas, they do this because their husband is truckers. So I'm very curious what it look like inside and the shower look like. This is actually my very first time showering in public in America, like the gas station place to shower. There it goes, the entrance of the Lowe's. I hope there's not much in the waiting list. They said sometimes it's very busy. Oh, it's hot. Hi.
Hi.
Can I have a one shower room?
Sure.
Are there a waiting list or available right now?
No, there's nothing available right now, and there's 2 people waiting.
Okay.
So 1828.
1828. So 1828 yung total. Okay.
Someone will call your number when your shower's ready, okay?
Okay, thanks. So meron ako ditong PIN code and customer number. So kailangan ko mag-antay. There's 2 people in the line. So pang tatlo tayo. This is what it look like inside. Oh, may McDonald's din dito sa loob that you can order. Is that fruit? How much an egg? $3? They have a fruits that's already cut. Like this. Oh, I'm trying to find the yogurt. Oh, wow! $2.19 for the yogurt, but I don't like this brand. Maxim here. I love this trail mix, this kind. I love this. Okay. Antayin lang natin magtawag. 916.
Customer 47.
This is the shower. Have to lock it, make sure nobody can get in. So this is the mirror. That's the door. They have thing here you can put. Only one towel. Good thing we brought our towel. This is the shower, guys. We're very fresh. Wala siyang time limit. So, unlimited yung shower. Pwede kang mag-stay dito kung hanggang kailan mo gusto. Wala silang blower. Akala ko meron silang blower. Sabi dun sa reviews, may blower. Wala naman. So, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna just carry the towels like this. Pwede naman ako mag-shower dun sa van. Kaso nga lang, tinatamad ako mag-shower dun ngayon. Kasi nga, super ang haba ng biyahe namin. 5 hours yata yung nabiyahe namin today. So, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko and gusto ko ng hot shower. Wala kasi kaming hot shower sa van. So, kaya nag-decided ako na i-try itong shower. Okay naman siya, maganda. Worth it yung pera nyo na ibabayad. Did you get my soap and everything? Check that first. Okay, good. Nahihilo talaga ako pa. Nahihilo ako sa sa amoy ng gas. Sa truck na ako mag-ayos ng skincare. Hala! Thank you. Do you know what? I had a hole on my pants. I have a hole on my pants. We're gonna find our truck. Wala, yung truck namin pinakamaliit. Super saludo ako sa mga nagto-trucking. Kasi ang hirap ng trabaho nila. Like, nasa truck sila all day, nagdo-drive. Tapos, ang hirap-hirap i-drive ng truck kasi ang laki-laki niya. Tapos, makipag-deal sila sa traffic. Alam mo yun? That's a very hard job to do. Mag-trucking. Pero malaki yung sahod ng trucking dito sa US. Super laki. It's kinda noisy lang. Kasi yung truck, hindi nila tino-turn off. Naka-turn on lang palagi. Kasi ginagamit nila yung aircon. Kumadugi! Where we put the towel? Outside? Okay. I got the stuff. Can you do that? Madugi! Welcome sa ating bahay. Welcome sa truck or sa van. So, ganito ako pagka matutulog sa gabi, ganito yung ginagawa ko bago ako maglagay ng bed. Like, meron ako nitong wipes. Kita nyo tong wipes. Ginagawa ko dyan, nipupunasan ko yung floor. Malinis naman yung floor, but gusto ko lang siyang punasan. Like this. And use my foot just to make sure na walang tick. Joke. Pagkatapos nating mag-wipe ng floor ang ating bed, kita nyo ba? Medyo dark dito. Tingnan natin sa light. Ganito. Medyo dark dito sa loob. But, yeah, it's fine. So, let's put the blanket here. Casey. Tapos, ito pa si, Casey. Hump. Do not hump. Ano ba? What are you doing? Stop it. I said, hey! Stop. And then, meron pa ako dito. Casey, told you not to. Ito to yung malambot. Comforter. Soft siya. Ang liit lang naman ng space. So, yeah. Dito lang tayo sa corner. And ito yung aking pillows. Lagay lang natin dyan. Tapos, I have extra blanket here. Just in case pagka, hey, do not go there. Pag nilamig ako. You don't have to go on my pillow. I don't want you to be on my pillow. Ganito lang yung setup natin. Na yung space. Yeah. Diyan. Tapos, labas na to. Ayoko dyan. Okay, very bright doon. So, dito tayo matutulog sa floor. Ganyan yung setup ng bed. And marami itong mga kalat kasi yung ginagamit namin yung daytime. So, ganito lang yung life namin. This is our life living in the truck. I'm going to sleep now. Yes, after shower, oh my gosh. The shower is perfect. Super sarap sa feeling after mag-shower. Dahil sa init ba naman ng kanina, and then ang long drive. Finally, now we can rest. So anyway, tatapusin ko na yung video guys. Kaya mag-sleep na ako. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Ang super bright pa ng araw. It's already 8 o'clock in the evening and super bright sa labas. So hindi pa